Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to check the traffic on your website built with Lovable. Knowing your visitors, page views, and traffic sources is really useful if you want to understand how people are using your site. To check this, open your project and click on the project name in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then select Analytics from the menu. Here you'll see detailed stats such as visitors, page views, devices, countries, sources, and even which pages people are visiting. You can also adjust the time range to view today, this month, or the last 90 days. There's another way too. Click on Publish in the top right corner, then select Published Site. Here you'll also find a quick overview of your traffic, such as the number of recent visitors. And that's it. That's how you check your website traffic in Lovable. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lovable tutorials.